Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share my journey of building and flying my very first FPV drone, the Joshua Bardwell Sub 250. This is a big moment for me and I can't wait to take you along for the ride. Building this drone was incredible experience. From soldering the components to finally seeing it all come together, it was a labor of love. I learned so much about the inner workings of the drone while building it, and I have to say, it was worth every minute. One of the best parts of this journey was finding a custom quad community right here in Fargo, North Dakota. They welcomed me in with open arms like a bird of a feather. Their support and guidance were invaluable, and they truly helped me take to the skies. And the issue I had was that I couldn't get the props on correctly and couldn't understand how the props worked when props are out. And I just didn't have them on correctly, and we were able to get it to fly. The Fargo drone quad community was very nice to meet, and they taught me so many more things about drones that I even could imagine. But once I finally got it in the sky, I flew it 2 times and I lost it. And I want to show you that in this video. The video got very complicated to record the whole setup of soldering and everything, but here it is, flying up in the sky, the Joshua Bardwell build, and I finally got it up in the sky, and...
Oh no, I crashed the drone! Oh no, I crashed the drone again! I crashed the drone again! We're gonna go search for the drone here. I got my remote. I just crashed. The camera isn't angled right. I don't know. It's my first time flying, so what do you expect? Just losing a $200 drone on your first flight? I feel like that's what the part of the hobby is. All right, let's see if we can do this. Well, it landed somewhere over here from the video feed, and I'm not very excited to walk in this or incidentally drop my phone in these weeds here, but we'll search around. Okay, I can hear it beeping.
When I first thought I lost the drone that I just built and spent all this money on, I was pretty bummed out. The thing was with the building the drone is not all the parts are included, and it's because there's so many customizations that you can do, and that's what I learned. But then it just started all adding up, and I think this $250 drone is more like a $500 drone. So hopefully we didn't lose it, and hopefully we can find it. And that's why I highly recommend having a visual observer so that you can make sure you don't lose your drone and be irresponsible like me. So don't make these decisions to fly your drone alone.
Okay, we're using a remote to make sure it's beeping here. We're really close. Somewhere in this metal scrap. Hopefully I can find it, you guys, because I just built this Joshua Bardwell build and I just went missing. There it is. I see it. You guys see it? Oh, we got it. We got it. Here. All right, I crashed again. This time it was nice and easy right over here. I didn't put the goggles on this time just because keep crashing. I feel like something might be wrong with it. All right, well, go ahead and we'll go up to the hill here and I'll get you guys back on the video. You guys, I keep crashing the drone. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just can't fly. We're armed. Here we go.
At this very moment, I decided I wanted to fly it above the tree line. So I flew above the tree line, and then all of a sudden the wind took it and it just flew away, way too far. And I was surprised I was able to get it back. And I got it back, and it hit some trees, but it is all good and still working.
Oh man, I think I lost this thing. Oh man, that shit's gone. Fuck. I got it coming back. Oh dang. Oh. Crashed. I got it. I went so far, like the wind just took it. Let's see what happened. The battery like flew off, it hit a tree. Let's take a look. It's still alive. The battery didn't fully unplug either. We'll see you another day. We still got it back, luckily.
Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of building and flying my first FPV drone. This experience has been unforgettable. If you're thinking about getting into FPV, I highly recommend finding your local community to support you. It's been a game changer for me.